So in section 6, we are going to be focusing on the cellular immune response, which is driven by T cells. And our T cells are really going to help provide defense against intracellular antigens, such as virally infected cells, cancer cells, and even foreign transplanted tissue. So unlike our B cells, our T cells are much more complex, both in their classification and function, and they do not recognize free antigens. Instead, they're going to respond to antigen fragments that are presented on the surface of the cells by those MHC or major histocompatibility complex proteins that we talked about previously. So there are two main types of T cells. We have CD8 and CD4 cells. Our CD4 cells are typically going to become our helper T cells, which help coordinate the immune response by activating B cells, some other types of T cells, and macrophages. Some of the CD4 cells also become regulatory T cells, which are going to help moderate the immune system activity, or memory T cells, which persist for a faster response upon a secondary exposure. Our CD8 cells are going to become cytotoxic T cells, which will directly kill infected and abnormal cells, and then we're also going to form some memory CD8 cells. So we form memory CD4 and CD8 cells. So this is just kind of showing you how we get our B and our T lymphocytes. We can also see what they develop into. So our CD4 cells will become helper T cells, regulatory T cells, as well as memory cells. With our CD8 cells, these will become cytotoxic T cells, and we will also form some memory CD8 cells as well. So T cells are activated through antigen presentation, which occurs when an antigen-presenting cell or an APC cell is going to display that processed antigen on its MHC protein. So we have class 1 MHC proteins that are found on almost all body cells, and they're going to present endogenous or internal antigens to the CD8 cells, while our class 2 MHC proteins are found on only on APC cells like our dendritic cells, and they're going to present exogenous external antigens to CD4 cells.